Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Here, as you can see, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. In my case, 1.5 hours. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. You can check some further details by tapping inside this graph, and you will have this dashboard which will show you the time in particular days of the week, so you can compare them. You can change it to the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and here you've got all of the apps listed with the time you've spent on them. The second option is to tap directly on the app, so the settings phone camera. Simply tap on it and again you will have the dashboard, but this time tightly connected with the app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. We've got also the ways to disconnect, which you can use whenever you will feel that you're spending too much time on the screen. You can set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode, where your device will hide the notifications from distracting apps in particular days or hours in a week, and you will not be disturbed. You will be able to sleep well or work properly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.